Hey, this is Sarah from Contextures.com. Today we're going to take a look at a feature where you can permanently change numbers by adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing without using a formula. In my table here, you can see I've got some quantities all in the millions. What I want to do is divide those numbers by 1,000. So the first thing that we're going to do is to add that value over here in the worksheet. So I'm just going to type 1,000. And next I want to copy that value. So I can either do that with Control C or just head here, you can see it's copied. Next step, we'll select those numbers we want to divide by the value, and we're going to head towards the ribbon for the paste, drop down so we see the paste special. When we select here, you'll see those operations that I was talking about earlier. So we have add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Today we'll be using divide. So I'll click there and OK. And now, just like that, you can see those numbers have all been permanently changed to be divided by 1,000. A little bit messy, so we're going to clean this up really quickly by just going to the Home ribbon, to the number section, and selecting comma style. Here you can see they've all been aligned and the decimal places are all set to 2. Last step will just be to delete that 1,000 and we're good to go. Just a reminder, this is a permanent change to these values. It's not like a formula where you can adjust it later.
Thanks for watching this video. You can go to my website, contextures.com, to get this workbook. And please subscribe to my Contextures YouTube channel so you can see the latest videos as I post them.